Hi guys, today I will be making a delicious buttery almond coffee cake that you can enjoy for breakfast along with a cup of coffee. So let's get started. To a medium-sized bowl, add 1 cup of flour and a half a cup of butter cubed. And you want to cut into the flour till small peas form. We're just about there. Make sure all the flour is incorporated. Okay. And you can use 2 knives if you don't have a pastry blender. Okay. Add 1 tablespoon of cold water and mix until it's combined. Okay. Form a ball. And set it aside. Now get a cookie sheet and either place a Silpat down or parchment paper. And now you're going to want to flatten this dough into a 14 by 6 strip. Just keep working it. It'll be thin, but you can get it into 14 by 6. Okay, set that aside. To a saucepan, add the 1 cup of water, butter, and bring it to a boil. Now while it's come to a boil, add your flour and beat until it forms a ball. Keep stirring. I think we're just about there. It's coming together good. Okay, remove from a heat. Add 1 egg at a time. You'll need 3. And beat well after each one. And now your last egg. add a half a teaspoon of almond extract. And beat for about a minute more. You want it to be glossy. Okay, that looks good. Now bring back in your bottom pastry dough. Place this dough on top. And you want to spread it out over top of it evenly. Try to get it as even as you can. That's not too thick in one part and thin in the other. And you want your oven to be set at 375. Now place it in your 375 oven for 40 minutes until it gets nice and golden brown. See you in 40. Okay, it's been 40 minutes and it's nice and golden brown. So what we're going to do is just let it sit and cool completely, and then we're going to icing it. See you in a little bit. Let's make the icing. You need 1 cup of confectionery sugar, 2 tablespoons of half and half or milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Mix these all together. Get it nice and blended and smooth. Now add your 1/2 cup of chopped almonds. Now an offset spatula, just spread it out over the top. Okay, that looks good. Now just let it sit for a little bit to set up. Now you can cut it up. As big as pieces as you want. I hope you give this buttery almond coffee cake a try. It really is delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye.